Are things adding up? No.
No ma'am.
No.
No ma'am.
No ma'am.
No ma'am.
No ma'am. Something doesn't add up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Laurina. I know. It's been forever. No, it's been a while, hey, since I was here, but
Don't judge me. Let me explain.
alrighty, so elephant in the room. I know that I have been MIA for a while. But I have very good reasons, guys. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about some of those reasons, and we are also going to be, at the same time, because why not, we are a hair channel mostly, going to be reviewing this wig that I got from Eayon Hair a while ago. And by a while ago, I mean, it's been what, nearly 2 years now that I got this wig. Also, we are just going to ignore the fact that there is a stain on my shirt, guys. I mean, it's been forever, like, forgive me, okay? In order to glue down this wig, right, I haven't done this in forever, so I actually don't know if this is gonna work. I think I'm gonna use the black Got To Be glue, and then I'm gonna go in with the Got To Be glued spray, honey. And speaking of the spray, just watch a clip of this video just in case you haven't seen it yet, and then I will come back and tell you how I feel.
My hair has been like this for about a month now.
Okay, so I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to laying down wigs. I honestly, like, if you're looking for advice on how to lay down a wig, I'm not your girl. Okay, so I have just put this black Got To Be glued on just underneath the, is this called a frontal? What is the difference? Someone please tell me down below, what is the difference between a frontal and a closure? Because I don't know. Okay, so I have just put some Got To Be glued under my frontal or closure, whatever it is that is on my head right now, girl, and I'm gonna wait for that to dry whilst we speak about something. Okay, so I know that I've just told you that, you know, I've been busy and things have been hectic, but I think it's safe to announce the fact that your girl, the reason why she's been MIA is because she was busy applying for her master's. Girls with degrees, you know what I mean? So yeah, the reason why, or one of the reasons why I've been MIA is because the applications for my master's, guys, oh my gosh, like the stages of my application for my master's deserve so many different videos each. That's the complicated part about it, and I will explain that in another video. But in a nutshell, it's just been because your girl has been stressed out about her master's degree, and she's doing it now, currently enrolled. So I'm going to be doing my master's in accounting and finance, and that's one of the main reasons I have been MIA, is because the process, girl, has been a mess. It's got to do with why I wasn't here, okay? And while we wait for this glue to dry, let us talk a little bit about Gorilla Glue, girl, because I have an opinion, and this is my channel, so I can give my opinion. Okay, here's one thing that I don't understand, ne, about Gorilla Glue, girl. So as you see in this video that I just showed you now, so that we can have a discussion, I would appreciate your input down in the comment section below. This girl was trying to use some of this Got To Be spray, which I will spray in the end, I think. I don't know what I'm doing, and I know that this gel is going to take a while to dry, so let's just sit down and talk. Okay, that's why is it not working? Guys, what am I doing wrong?
Help me. Help me.
I'm out here trying to, I'm gonna talk about Gorilla Glue, girl, in a while, but clearly we all are having just issues with glue these days. That's the problem now. Something doesn't make sense about what this girl is saying, or this woman, actually. She is, let me not disrespect the lady. Something not adding up about what this lady was saying, because you're telling me that you're only now coming to the realization that there is something wrong after a month of having this hairstyle in your head.
Come on.
Now, girl, Come on.
I know I ain't crazy.
Her name is Tessica. No, come on, Tessica.
No way. No way. I want to see the receipts.
Are you serious? Like, the thing that I don't understand is with that specific hairstyle, like if you've ever had a ponytail in your head, then you know ponytails last, I mean, depending on your type of hair, if it's 4C hair, then maybe 5 minutes. I don't care how strong your glue is, ponytails are not lasting that long. So my first question, and a question that a friend of mine had, I'm not going to mention her name because I obviously haven't asked for permission to mention her name in the video, but hey girl, I know you're watching, how you doing? Is we were like, a month, it's been a month, so like, have you been struggling with this for a month, or is it now just coming to your attention that now it's been a month and now you're having a problem because you're trying to wash this Gorilla Glue out? Because ponytails like that, generally, I mean, after the first day you can already start to see flyaways, like your baby hairs are no longer intact, especially if you have 4C hair. So I was wondering, like the first time I saw the video, at what point did you realize that things went left? Because for you to be saying that it's been a month now, like, where was the video of you showing us that, guys, you know, it's been 2 days? Because even, okay, so let's just say, right, because generally you use Got to Be glue spray, because that's what she was saying in the video. You generally use Got to Be glue spray. We all know that this is a dope spray. Absolutely nothing wrong with Got to Be glued. But after the first day or 2 or 3 or 4, you start noticing that your hair starts to lift, right? And if you look at that video, this girl's hair has not lifted a single bit. So wouldn't you at least come to us and be like, yo, guys, you know, unbeknownst to you about what's actually happening, come to us and be like, hey guys, you know, I used this Gorilla Glue on my hair, and you know how usually ponytails don't last that long with Got to Be glued, so I think you guys should try this out because look at how dope my hair is looking. It hasn't moved a single bit, blah blah blah, yada yada yada. Then you come back to us and you're like, oh, okay guys, it's been a week, you know, and my hair's still looking fresh, it's still looking fly.
Then you come to us and you're like, it's been 2 weeks and I'm not sure if I'm still happy with the fact that this hair is still like this. Then you come in 3 weeks and you're like, hey, guys, I'm worried. Because this is too long now. Then you come to us after a month and you're like, yeah, no, I was wrong about that whole Gorilla Glue thing being dope, because it seems now like this hairstyle or this style is kind of, it's run its course now. Like my hair isn't even growing, there's no undergrowth, I'm not sure that this should be happening.
You know what I mean? Like, for me at least, that would have been the train or the chain of videos coming out. First of all, I would not have come up to you guys and told you to use adhesive that is used for basically building houses. You know what? It doesn't quite make as much sense as I would like for it to make. Is Tessica lying? I don't know. Is she telling the truth? I have no idea. Are things adding up? No.
No ma'am.
No.
No ma'am.
No ma'am.
No ma'am.
No ma'am. Something doesn't add up. I don't know what it is, but something to me doesn't add up. And especially today when I was watching Lovely T's breakdown of Tessica's situation and also her opinion on it, I was like, yeah, no, I'm with Lovely T on this one. I don't really understand what's going on. Well, actually, Lovely T just thinks Tessica's lying. That's her opinion. I don't have an opinion. I feel like things are just not making sense with this entire story and things are not balancing. Like, I want to see how it ends. This wouldn't be the first time that people have come onto the socials and lied to us. I'm not saying Tessica is lying. No ma'am.
No ma'am.
I don't have enough evidence for that. I don't want her lawyer coming for me. Things don't add up. That's all I'm saying. I want to know your opinions down below. I am very, very, very confused.
Well, just as I thought.
So as you can see, this hair is absolutely beautiful and luscious. After owning it for 2 years, and I have worn it many times before. I just do have to say though, just in case you've noticed it, there is a bit of bleaching that I asked a young lady here in PE to do for me because she's very good at, you know, bleaching wigs or whatever. I do think that we kind of over bleached the roots of this wig too much, So that's why you can see here that it starts off a bit blonde and then goes into black. So that's the close-up there. There wasn't really much plucking. There wasn't really any plucking that needed to be done because it came pre-plucked, but we do an extra bit of plucking for a little swoop situation. But it's been 2 years. I don't even remember where the line for the swoop is supposed to be. But this is the hair, guys. This morning I haven't done anything to it. There is no water that I sprayed on it. There is no mousse that I've sprayed on it. So obviously if you want it to be more defined, you can add water and mousse. Let us just take a look at what that looks like. So this is the hair dry, completely dry from last night. And then I'm just gonna add a bit of water to it and add a bit of mousse and show you what the end result looks like. And then come back with a wrap up of this video. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like with mousse in. So obviously didn't want to do a too in-depth review of this hair because, well, it's not a video about that in specific, you know, in particular. It's about a lot of things. Okay. So obviously my laying skills are still, for lack of a better word, bad. I still have work to do with regards to learning how to lay my hair. But this is no fault of the wig itself. Like I said, it's just me, guys. And there you have it. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to let you, or come on here rather, and let you guys know that I'm back. Expect some fresh new content every single week. I will definitely be posting every single week, even though I am busy as a bunny. I am busier than when I had 5 jobs. Honestly, guys, masters is no joke. When I was telling people, well, the people that do know, they were like, hey, masters, okay, we wish you all the best. Because masters, guys, it tests people, and it's tested me already, and I've only been in it for like what, 2 weeks? Is this the 3rd week? Yeah, this is the 3rd week. So by the time this video is released, it will still be the 3rd week. Oh, and let me know if you want a full actual detailed review on this hair, because I feel like I just touched on a couple of points and I may need to edit some things out because I don't want to make this video too long. But otherwise, that's it now. Otherwise, I'll keep on going. Don't forget to watch another video. Watch another video over here. Watch another video over here. Watch another video. Watch another video over here, girl. We are going to be making content in 2021. You don't want to miss it. Subscribe. Bye-bye.